प्रोफेशनल लोग होता है ना, वहाँ पे गाली कम से कम कभी मार भी
और उधर चीटिंग नहीं होता, इधर होता
मेरे द्वारा, तो वहाँ पे रेफर रहता ना।
कहाँ सौरभ हमारे साथ जाता था, कार में पहले आता था।
अभी वो मोबाइल से क्या अनलॉक करता है अपना गाड़ी खोलना।
I believe that with time we need to explore new things and experience new moments. And it's the day when I went for the beach handball session.
Good morning. It's around 5:45 and I'm going for a handball session in a beach, which is going to be really enjoyable. And I'm going for that. As you can see the view, I love early morning. Like everyone is silent and the view gives you a lot of energy. The universe and the nature, you feel like you are talking with the nature, and it is the best feeling. I just love it. Don't you think early morning is so beautiful when you stay somewhere and you can go to experience the nature, you can go to the meditative state. It feels really amazing, and I'm so excited to experience this handball session.
You know, guys, since so many days I was thinking of going somewhere to experience something and to get the healing from the universe to the nature, but I was not able to do that. And finally, I reached this place. When I reached there, I was feeling so happy, and it feels like I'm in heaven. Do you know why? Because it was a beach side, it was so beautiful. And we reached there, it was a like routine. We introduced ourselves, then we started doing something, and it was my first ever handball thing. I never played handball, though I was into running, kho and all, but I never played handball, football. And I am someone who keeps exploring and loves to explore. But what happens when you reach somewhere and you see the players are really well, knows how to play, and you are someone who don't know anything. So I was thinking how to play, I was wondering, and the good thing about it is people are very supportive. They are like, it's a club in Bhubaneswar known as 6M Club. These guys are providing this beautiful experience. Like, if you are in Bhubaneswar, you should join them. It's really amazing. I felt so good after the session because we discussed so many things. We played, and I got my confidence back because I was thinking I cannot play, but I did well according to me because it's first time, right? So yeah, and then we played for some time. We took the experience of that beautiful view, and we shared our experience at the end. That's a good exercise that 6M do. Ask the experience what you feel, and yeah, that was good. And we did cool down later on, as you can see. Then we are ready to back to home because it's already like sun is in the above, and it's like we have to go back. So the moral of the story is keep exploring your life. Don't just stay within the job, within the responsibility. Yes, with that you have a life which you need to explore. Keep smiling and keep watching the Jewelry Show.